Hi, welcome to KlinKode PayRules tutorial series. Today we'll learn how to hide any payment method for orders coming from a specific province or state at the Shopify checkout using PayRules. In this video, we use cash on delivery as an example. Click on the PayRules app. Here you can manage all your payment rules. Now click on the Add a New Rule button. Click on the Add a New Condition button. Select province/state codes. If you want to hide cash on delivery for orders from certain provinces or states, select If Found from the drop-down and enter the province or state code. For example, here we will enter the province code OH for Ohio. You'll need to give your rule a name. Remember, this is just for internal use to help you identify the rule later. Now go to the Payment Methods and click Add or type a new payment method. Choose Cash on Delivery. This setup ensures that orders from the Ohio province will not show the Cash on Delivery option during checkout. Now click the Save button to apply this rule. Now let's test our rule. Currently, we can see that cash on delivery is still visible because the order's address is not in the Ohio province. Next, let's test by adding an order with a shipping address in Ohio, OH, and see the result. As expected, after adding an order with a shipping address in Ohio, OH, the cash on delivery option is hidden at checkout. That's it, a simple way to manage any payment methods with KlinKode PayRules. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!